When working in UModelerX, you won't always want to build objects from scratch. Sometimes you'll start with an asset from the Unity Asset Store or an AI-generated model, and then realize you need to make changes to it. UModelerX allows you to convert any standard game object into a UModeler object so you can continue editing it using the full UModeler toolset. To convert an object, select the asset in your scene or hierarchy. Right-click it and navigate to UModelerX UModularize. You'll see two conversion options: merge vertices that merges any duplicate vertices in the mesh, and hierarchical merge vertices where it merges vertices on the object and all of its child objects. Once you choose an option, UModelerX will convert the selected game object into a UModeler object, allowing you to edit it just like any other UModelerX mesh. This will help bring your assets to life by allowing you to make changes to them as you see fit.